Hello everyone! These little quinoa pops have just the right crunch, made with simple ingredients and so easy to put together. So if you want to learn how to make them, then just keep watching. Starting with our star ingredient, the quinoa. You might have heard that quinoa is bitter in flavor, and yet there are so many ways of making it taste real good. You can make quinoa brownies or quinoa muffins. So today, I'll be showing you another way to work with raw quinoa to make it crispy with absolutely zero bitterness. The trick is to simply rinse it thoroughly and drain to remove the bitterness. Once you've done that, all you need to do is take 1 part of quinoa and 2 parts of water to cook it. Simply simmer it on low flame with the lid on until all the water is absorbed. This should take not more than 12 to 15 minutes, and you'll notice how they swell up so beautifully. Perfect. Next, in a clean dry chopping bowl, we will take some quick oats. Now remember, we are not taking the rolled oats, as it's the quick oats that works perfectly well for this recipe. Pulse it a few seconds in the chopper until you see a semi-powdered texture. To this we will add the cocoa powder, along with jaggery powder, or you can even use brown sugar if you like. To this we will add the peanut butter. You can take the creamy one or crunchy if you like some nuts in your treats, along with some maple syrup. And lastly, of course, the quinoa. Make sure the quinoa is not too hot or it may end up becoming a very sticky dough. Pulse it a few seconds until you see everything come together as one. This looks good. That's the kind of sticky dough we are looking for. Just enough moisture to bind it all together. Now take a tray lined with parchment paper and simply take a dollop to make little tiny bite-sized balls. Don't worry if you find any kind of cracks. Just don't make it too tight, as we want a light and airy texture once baked. Go ahead and repeat the same for the rest of the dough. At this point, I'm thinking maybe I should have added some cinnamon powder for some flavoring. Would have been nice. Maybe I'll have a go at it again with the flavoring. What do you suggest? Let me know in the comments below. This will go into the preheated oven for about 15 to 17 minutes. In the last 2 minutes of my baking, I kept both the rods on. This gives it a little crisp, crusty top as well. These look beautifully done, and notice how the oats and quinoa shines through, giving it that rustic look that's just perfect for a pure organic home-baked goodies. Crispy and nutty little breakfast choco pops. That's what I'm going to call them. And that sound of little crisp balls makes me want to pop one right away. You can get up to 200 grams of these quinoa pops. And they can easily last up to 3 to 4 weeks in an airtight container. Time to get your little ones to enjoy this super yummy breakfast, or maybe even as a snack for school. Try it and let me know what you think about this recipe. perfect on the inside too. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.